How to fix not eligible for the For You feed. If you've been scrolling through TikTok and noticed that your videos aren't showing up on the For You page, you're not alone. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix the not eligible for the For You feed error on TikTok. So let's get into it. First, let's explain what's going on. If you see that message, it means TikTok's algorithm is not selecting your video to appear on the For You page. This could happen for several reasons, but don't worry, we'll go through everything you need to do to fix it. Step 1 is to make sure your account is set up correctly. TikTok's algorithm sometimes restricts accounts that are flagged or have certain privacy settings. Go to your profile, tap on three dots in the top right corner and open settings. Make sure your account is not set to private. Simply toggle it off and switch it to public so your videos can be showed on the For You page. The next step is to follow TikTok's community guidelines. TikTok may prevent your videos from appearing on the For You page if they violate any of the platform's rules. Check out TikTok's community guidelines to make sure your content complies with the rules. Now, next step is to don't overuse hashtags or engage in spammy behavior. TikTok's algorithm could consider repetitive hashtag or irrelevant tags as spammy and may prevent your videos from showing on the For You feed. Make sure your TikTok app is up to date. Go to App Store and search for TikTok. And if there is an update available, simply update it. Next, you might be experiencing a shadow ban. If TikTok has temporarily limited your content visibility due to rule violation or other reasons, your videos may not show up on the For You page. To fix this, you'll need to take a break from posting and engaging with the app for a few days. Avoid posting multiple videos in a short period, as this can help reset your account status. And there you have it. By following the steps, you should be able to fix the not eligible for the For You feed error and get your videos back on TikTok's For You page.